Hi, my name is Jane and I just want to show you very briefly how to do the edging of a hexagon blanket. You can see on the one of my students made how well that is zigzagging along with trebles. So on two here that I have put together, and I've put two of mine together just by slip stitching them stitch for stitch on the back, just in the back loop of each of the chain stitch at the top to give this nice line, and that's all you need to do. So it's as easy as that. You put 3 treble into the 2 chain space, you link these two with a treble into each, and that gives you the pulling together of the V, and then 3 treble into there, and so on. So just an idea of how to do an edging.